The fight over abortion rights in Arizona landed in southern Arizona in a courtroom today. Planned Parenthood is taking on the state's attorney general as the abortion law in Arizona is still unclear. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink has the latest.
That lack of clarity impacting Arizonans at every level of the abortion debate. The doctors and their patients, those wanting stricter abortion laws, and those wanting to revive a state law dating back to 1901. Now, the case that could determine the future of the abortion landscape in Arizona begins.
The Attorney General has really put politics over patients.
Planned Parenthood Arizona President Brittany Fontenot says this legal fight that began with a status conference in court Friday has so much at stake. The case will decide whether an abortion ban first implemented in the 1860s and codified into the state constitution in 1901 can once again become the law in 2022. The abortion ban would send doctors and abortion providers to jail. The more than century-old ban gives only one exception: to save the life of the mother. Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich argues the injunction that put the ban on hold 50 years ago should now be lifted, clearing the way for the law to go back into effect. In a statement, the Attorney General's office says, quote, "The Supreme Court rightly returned this important issue to our elected representatives. In Arizona, our legislature has consistently reaffirmed our existing law prior to Roe v. Wade, most recently with legislation passed by lawmakers and signed by the governor earlier this year. While we wait for the court to issue its opinion, we will continue to seek to protect the most vulnerable."
The fact of the matter is we have 5 decades worth of laws that our state legislature has passed, and these are laws that recognize and regulate abortion as a lawful medical procedure in the state of Arizona.
U of A law professor Chris Griffin says the abortion laws passed in Arizona over the last 120 years can't be ignored.
It would be strange if the people speaking through the legislature in the 21st century don't have at least as much of a say, if not a greater one, than the legislature of the 20th century and before.
Both sides are back here for a hearing on August 19th. At the Superior Court, I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.